Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily change place of your start menu in Windows. So for doing this you just need to press left button of mouse on your start menu and just when you press on left button of mouse you just replace your menu to right or to top. So after you just need to release your finger from your mouse and or from your touchpad and it will successfully left place you choose before. So if you want to turn it back again, so just press again left button and just click on mouse on the place of start menu and just scroll it down and just release your finger. So you can see that we successfully moved our start menu. So this is the way how we can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.